Why does your scanner show the P2624 engine code? What does it mean? P2624 is a diagnostic trouble code for injector control, pressure regulator circuit low. The P2624 engine code, or indicate the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a variation in the voltage coming from the ICP regulator circuit that falls below the normal expected limits. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty injector control pressure, damaged wiring harness, poor electrical connections, blown fuses or short circuit, faulty powertrain control module, PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.